Worcester Bosch C6 error code, fan speed. Too low. Welcome to BeFix, reliable, local, gas safe. In this video, we'll explain the Worcester Bosch C6 error code, a fan speed issue that can cause your boiler to shut down unexpectedly. We'll go over what it means, what usually causes it, and what you can safely do before calling a gas-safe engineer. The C6 fault means your boiler's fan isn't spinning fast enough to create the correct airflow through the combustion chamber. The fan plays a crucial safety role. It draws in fresh air and pushes waste gases safely through the flue. If the boiler detects the fan isn't reaching the right speed, it shuts down to prevent unsafe combustion. Several possible reasons can trigger the C6 code. Fan motor wear or failure. Over time, the bearings can seize or slow down. Blocked or restricted flue, often caused by debris, nesting, or damage. Air pressure switch issues, meaning the boiler can't confirm that the fan is pulling sufficient airflow. Loose or damaged wiring between the fan and the PCB. In some rare cases, a faulty control board PCB may misread the fan speed. Since this fault affects combustion, you shouldn't take the case off yourself, but you can safely check a few things. 1. Reset the boiler once to rule out a temporary error. 2. Step outside and make sure the flue terminal isn't blocked. Check for leaves, insects, or anything obstructing airflow. 3. Listen when the boiler tries to start. You should hear the fan whirring gently. If it's silent, the fan may not be running at all. 4. Avoid trying to force it on or reset repeatedly. Let a professional inspect it properly. If the error persists, BeFix can carry out fan speed diagnostics, check air pressure readings, and test fan voltage output. We'll clean or replace the fan if needed and ensure the flue is clear and operating safely. Our engineers also inspect the combustion seal and PCB signal to make sure your boiler is working efficiently and safely after repair. If your Worcester Bosch boiler keeps showing a C6 fan speed fault, don't ignore it. Call BeFix. Reliable, local, gas safe.